In this video I will show you step by step how you can fix unable to comment on YouTube videos or shorts. So the first thing we need to do is head over to YouTube, and then what we can do now is we can head over to a YouTube video, for example, and what you first need to see is if you have enabled restricted mode. If you've enabled restricted mode, head on back, click on your profile picture, click on the settings icon, and then you want to select general. What you want to do now is simply toggle off restricted mode, and then when you go back to a YouTube video or short, you should now be able to comment. Another problem that you might be having is that the creator of the YouTube videos has turned off comments. If this isn't the problem, the last thing that we do need to check is if you have violated any terms and conditions of YouTube. Now, if you've done this, the way we can get around this and the way that we can fix this is head over to the settings in the top right hand corner, scroll down until you see the option for help. And then once we click on help, you will now be able to go to the bottom and click on contact us. Once we click on contact us, you will then be redirected over to this page. And then what you now need to do is put in unable to comment on YouTube videos. Once you do this, simply click on next. You will then be able to go ahead and select one of these. Once you click on next step, what that will do is it will bring you to a page that looks like this. Click on next again, and then as you can see now, you will now get an option for chat or email. Simply click on the chat option, and then you will then be able to speak with a representative from YouTube. So it's just that simple, guys. That's how you can fix the problem that you cannot comment on YouTube videos or YouTube shorts.